What's up, Jeff?
What's up, guys?
Yeah, look at these roots right here. Look at the block wall right here. Looks like it's cracking.
What about this huge crack right here?
We haven't seen cracks in a while.
That's not a good start. The outside looks good, the roof looks good, the driveway looks bad.
It's a cute neighborhood, definitely like nice starter homes.
So it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It's about 1,750 square feet, and the guy's asking 450. Well, it looks like someone lives here.
Someone lives here?
I talked to the guy, he said no one lives here. Why don't you come in? Look, I feel like we're walking into someone's house.
It does look like someone lives
weird.
here.
Hello?
There's even like a dinner tray set up.
It's a weird floor plan.
So you can tell.
You can tell they've done additions.
And they like did a semi-remodel in here.
Oh, keep that lighting for sure.
This is the worst lighting I've ever seen.
Let me see what you look like. Oh, wow, it is bad lighting.
I wouldn't be talking.
Joe, I always look good.
You
Don't
look
you say, I
great.
need any light.
Tarek has the mirror that lies to him.
Okay, we got a laundry room sitting right off the kitchen.
The laundry room is so big. Don't you feel like we need to open up the kitchen on one side? It's like this weird tiny little box in the middle of nowhere.
So I feel like we're gonna have to open it up. My question is that wall load bearing? Is this wall load bearing? And is that wall load bearing?
You know, in all reality, I don't know either unless I come and start opening up walls. You don't own it yet, right?
No.
I'm not cutting holes in somebody else's house.
Okay, so let's just say we didn't remove the wall, we just remodeled the kitchen. What do you think it would run?
The way it is, you're looking right around 12 grand.
All right, but this is a nice room back here. It has a fireplace.
So dark.
This is a good sized room though. Look at the size of this patio. It's a huge yard.
Oh my gosh, what's under there?
He said he's gonna be leaving trash with the house. I should
Is
probably.
this considered trash?
I don't know. I didn't ask that, so I have to call him because.
Leaving some trash or leaving the entire dump?
What do you think it's gonna cost to clear it out?
Just in the backyard, maybe 12 to 1,500.
This has to come down.
This has to come down.
So this thing, you want to take that down, maybe another 400 bucks.
All right, let's go look at some bedrooms. So the living areas of the house are right at the entry and the back of the house.
But then you have to walk back through the living room to get to the bedrooms?
Talk about split floor plan.
It is just such a funky house.
Bedroom one's very small.
So we have bedroom number 2,
Two's identical.
shared bathroom. Well, we can't fit a
very
double
small.
vanity, so it's gonna be a single vanity. So what do you think, about 8 grand, 9 grand?
Yeah, probably about 8,500.
All right.
Let's go to the room that counts, the primary. This is a huge bedroom. Hopefully the bathroom is too.
Really small. Look how tiny the sink is.
You would
You're
almost
like
have
basically
to-
sitting on the toilet when you wash your face.
Can we do no tub, just a shower, double vanity, and a toilet?
I don't think so.
The floor plan on this house is just funky. I don't know. All right, Jeff, we're gonna go chat. Can you look at everything in a little more detail?
Yeah, I'll try and check it out. As of right now, what I'm looking at is 116.
116.
116.
Oh my God.
That does not include if any of those walls are load bearing that we want to take out. You've got a lot of work to do in here.
We thought we were going into like a simple house like back in the day, and now it's costing a fortune. Does that price include all the trash?
No. If we have to take out all of the trash, front yard, backyard, in the house, everything, you're looking probably another 3,500 bucks.
So you're telling me this is $120,000 without any structural?
Right.
After negotiating with the seller, we got the house for $430,000, and we still had to clear out all of the trash. And now Jeff has taken down all the drywall to see what we can do with the kitchen layout. What's up, Jeffrey?
What's going on, you guys?
You know what's weird? This is a big house and it feels like a teeny tiny house and it's so boxy and it's the worst floor plan, it makes no sense. You walk in, there's a wall, then you have a massive laundry room, and then you have another wall, and then you have all this space back there that no one can see. It's weird.
Here's what I think, right? Remove this wall right here. We can pop in an island right here, 4-seater right here. We do a nice square kitchen. It's still a decent sized
It's
kitchen.
just a waste of real estate. Look at, like the laundry room is almost as big as the kitchen.
What's your idea?
The idea is to knock all these walls out. That way when you walk in, you see straight to the back of the house.
Time out. Are you talking about removing this wall?
This wall, not having this huge laundry
you're talking
room,
about removing-
and this wall,
So you want to remove all the walls?
all the walls.
We can't remove all the
Yeah, we
walls.
can. Jeff, can we remove all the walls?
You can do anything you want. So I've got a beam here, beam there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pads. I think you guys are looking about 25 grand.
It's 25 grand to remove the walls.
Yeah.
This will be a game changer for this house, and it'll definitely pay off.
Well, just let me think for a second.
What do you
Would
do
you
with your
rather
laundry?
have a big kitchen and see all the way to the back of the house and have an entertainer's home, or would you rather have a massive laundry room?
This is same house? Oh my gosh, it looks different.
Well, this wall's all gonna come out. So imagine how much different it's gonna look once all this comes out.
I have a question. Where do we put the cabinets? This wall's not here, that wall is gone, we only have one wall.
And also, now I sort of feel like, look how small this room is. I feel like this room's gonna look tiny. It's almost like everything needs to be flipped over there.
Oh, you're talking about moving a kitchen. Oh my gosh, it would probably work, huh? We could probably do an L shape right here, right? So we have this wall, and then we could run this wall. We can end it somewhere in this area.
Do a big island right here.
You know what we could probably do? Build the island into the post so it doesn't stand out as much.
Yeah, for sure.
I mean, it's gonna cost at least, I don't know, I think $3,000 to $5,000 to do it.
I think we kind of have to, or it's gonna look really weird. The layout of this house is so much better with open walls. And moving the kitchen from the center of the house to the side wall will create a flow that will definitely impress buyers.
All right, so we're doing the kitchen today, right?
Right, so I brought some flooring samples. I brought a white flat panel cabinet. I know we talked about industrial modern.
Let's start with countertops.
Let's pull some concrete looking ones.
Yeah, these are cool right here, actually. These are really, really neat.
So, backsplash.
Oh, that one's nice.
All right.
Let me see that one. Oh, look at these two together. That's really pretty.
That's pretty.
All right, we're done. Let's get out of here.
No, no, no.
There's bricks.
Brick actually could be, actually could look really nice.
I mean, that is really, really
Just
buyer
pulling
specific.
it.
I'm just saying.
Just pulling it. So I feel like this is a pretty safe move. It has the industrial vibe. Everyone likes a hex.
Well, this
Black,
one's definitely
white.
my favorite. I mean, the brick, it's different, it's unique, but I'm just a little bit worried about putting that brick in Norwalk. Not really a hipster neighborhood.
It is a little risky. How about we save this look for a different house, and for this house, we go with that. It's still industrial modern, but it definitely is more contemporary, and I feel like everyone's gonna get it.
All right,
Are we sold?
sold. This looks good.
Yeah, it does. It's a big shower. Both bathrooms were tiny and cramped, so we borrowed space from the huge primary bedroom in the hallway and changed the layout so the bathrooms were side by side, which makes them both more usable.
So let's start with the materials.
So I think we do white flat panel. This is like sneaky, right? Gray or white? I think we go white. It's tiny in here. So white flat panel cabinets. And then this is an option
You
for
okay over there?
shower walls.
Okay, what's this one for?
This
Shower pan.
or shower pan and all the shower walls, like a party.
Oh, the dark?
Yeah, everywhere.
And the whole shower, I think that would look really, really nice with a white grout.
All right, cool.
Does it look good?
Perfect.
Jeffrey, where you at?
Ooh, look at that counter.
the kitchen.
It's very like industrial modern. So, because we have this random like pillar, I thought it'd be cool to do a couple floating shelves.
I like this idea. I like
So,
this idea.
hold
All
that
right.
up, you
it's
know?
cheap, it's fancy.
It's industrial.
Is this the actual shelf?
Yes.
Do you guys want to go straight up, or do you want to kind of stagger it?
Stagger's cool.
One
Three
there.
staggered.
Yeah. Yeah, let's do
Okay.
stagger.
Yeah, that'll be good.
Yep, this
Okay.
is it.
Done.
All right, so what are you thinking?
Honestly, I think the backyard's in great shape. Keep the
right.
concrete, paint the patio cover, maybe like a light gray.
Okay.
And then this thing over here, we'll just paint the brick, leave the countertop concrete, that's it.
What do you want to paint it?
Probably a darker gray.
All right.
You see that concrete pad back there?
Yeah.
I want to remove the concrete pad so we have a real backyard.
Okay.
Grass everywhere.
You're looking about $1,000
Just remove the concrete.
and put in grass.
Done.
All right.
Deal. This is one sad fireplace.
It really is sad. Like, at one point in time, was there brick over here?
Jeff removed all the brick because we put the new beam in.
Ew.
But when we put the new tile up, we need to match it. So we're gonna have to build this side out to match the other side.
Okay. This is kind of like the hex house. So that's one option, is to do the hex or the basic 12 by 24.
Well, what do you think? Do you want to mix up the tiles? Maybe we can do half of them 12 by 24 and then we can do half the hexagon.
So you're talking like all this, the hex, and then like the hearth, this?
Yeah.
I think that looks cool. So how much do you think we're all in?
Probably 2,500 bucks.
Well worth it.
All right, we got to pick some paint.
Okay, so I brought options.
So
that,
you brought 3 options. So you've already chosen the paint and I'm approving.
I mean, these look like your colors. Nothing's crazy.
All
We're
right,
not gonna have an
all right.
argument.
I like this color. I like this color. Hold on. And I like this color.
Okay, so I was thinking body, this like light gray.
And then all the wood trim. Blue.
It's like a dark gray.
Dark gray. Definitely not blue. Oh, jeez.
You guys, come on.
OMG.
need any more
This is a blue
carrots.
gray.
It's a charcoal gray.
I told you I have super eyes. This is blue. So, Jeffrey, body of the house, all the stucco, all the wood, front door, garage door. Done.
There's
All
one
right.
more thing that needs to be addressed. Some big cracks.
I mean,
So-
this is a can of worms. We start messing with this, we're gonna have to redo the whole driveway. I already know what's gonna happen. Jeff, how much do you think it would cost to fix this?
I would say 4,100 to go from the curb all the way over to the wall.
We've spent so much money at this house, completely redid the floor plan, opened up the living space. I mean, is it really that bad? Let's leave it.
All right.
All right.
I mean, I think the house looks cute. The paint colors look nice.
The paint does look really nice, actually. Looks good.
Wow, look at that entry.
Looks like an entirely different house.
Looks like you're walking into like a high-end home in LA. You can see from the front door all the way to the back of the house. You know, I was pretty hesitant to spend the money on this one, I'm not gonna lie. But now that it's done, it honestly looks awesome.
I feel like all the light flooring and the white cabinets really just makes the black pop.
And I like the accent color we did here and then we did back here.
Yeah, it looks really cool.
And look at that fireplace.
Yeah, it's definitely a statement.
It just looks so much better.
I love the hex on hex. We have kind of a hex theme here, which looks wonderful.
Uh-huh.
There's definitely a lot of sitting areas. So you have like the formal kind of living room when you walk in. Then you have the more functional family room. We have a huge dining room. We have an island. Like, this house has everything.
It's a great house. All right. Look at that backyard.
The good thing about this is we did not spend a lot of money. Just like the front yard, all we really did was some paint, sod, got rid of a shed, and it looks like an entirely different space.
Looks really, really good.
All right, let's go see the bedrooms.
So this was bedroom one.
It's small, but it has a nice view. It works. So basically, we reconfigured the 2 bathrooms, and I think this is still a really nice sized bathroom. The design's clean, light and bright.
Looking good. It's looking fancy. It's modern.
Bedroom 2. This one's really cute. Has like a little bohemian vibe.
Yeah, this is cute. Right now we have the long hallway to the primary. Tell you what, this is a huge bedroom. It really, really is.
Yeah, it is.
And then this. I feel like we almost doubled the size of this bathroom.
I'm glad you made an executive decision to not do the entire thing, the black tile, because I think it would have felt a little too dark.
This came out rad. I like this. I like this whole look in here.
Looks good.
Well, what are we gonna list this thing for? That's the big question. So we ended up spending a lot of money here, mostly because we moved the kitchen to the other side of the house. We paid $430 for the actual house. With the construction and all the work we did, we spent $157,000.
That's a lot.
It's gonna cost us $30,000 in closing costs and commission, which gives us a break even right above $617,000.
Okay.
The most recent closed comp in this neighborhood just sold, not as nice, a little bit smaller at $699. I was thinking maybe we list low, maybe $699.
$699 and hope for multiple offers. Hopefully it drives it up to the, mid-sevens.
I mean, some of our listings, we've been getting 20, 30, 50,000 over asking.
Yeah.
So it's a gamble though. So we can list low and try to get above list, or we can list at $749 and try to get close to list.
I think the $699 makes more sense.
All right, $699. Deciding to list low was key in driving up the sales price. We received 18 offers and we're in escrow at $790,000. If this deal goes through, we stand to make a profit over $172,000. Time to find another house to flip.